We are now in Chocolate Hills. So, yan po yung
our first stop, Chocolate Hills.
So, it's my first time here and Nanay also. Now we're going up to see a good view upstairs. Here, we have here, I love Chocolate Hills. So, manang guys.
One, two. So, ayun na nga guys. Ayan na. Hi guys.
Oh, dali na. Yeah, this little one is also going up.
Dahan-dahan lang kasi yung mga
like anymore. She wants to be carried
namin.
now.
Agoy, magpakugos na. Gikapoy na.
From Holy Spirit, I pray.
Nanay ka na. Kamu na lang. Buday naman.
Oh, video lagi. Ingon bitaw ko. Sige na lang. I-video na lang mo ay.
Mary.
May nang kadali.
Sabi mo sa Chocolate Hills.
So nice here and it's so windy.
Okay.
And as you can see, there are plenty hills here. Now,
How many hills did you count?
more than 10. This is more than 10.
Napa dito sa tumoy. Lagi oh. Okay. Do you like chocolate?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Okay, very good. See you, Chocolate Hills. Till next time.
Bye-bye.
Mary will come back when she's
Big already.
big already. So, ayan. Meron ditong wishing wheel. Anong wish mo, auntie?
Uy, nag-wish kami.
Ayan, may tindahan din sila dito ng mga ano. Okay, so meron dito nga. Wow, we are top of the world. And I can't find is the love that I found ever since we've been around. You're the top of the world. Waiting area nila para mag-shuttle pababa. Dito muna kami nag-top over, pabili muna sila. Ay, nabili nyo?
A few moments later.
Okay, dito na kami sa Bohol Tertiary Conservation Area. Kung saan ang mga kamag-anak ay nandyan.
Hey, we're now here in Bohol Tertiary. Yay! Say hi! Baby, hi! Yes. Hi! Observe silence daw, guys, and no flashing of cameras. Let's go up! Go up!
Mary, where's the monkey? Mary, where's the monkey? Hi guys, ito na po yung Tertiary. Actually, ang liit lang niya. Para lang siyang daga, kalaki. Ayan. Where's the monkey, Mary? Oh no.
It is sleeping.
Okay.
It is sleeping.
Monkey? What's the sound of the monkey?
What's the sound of the monkey? Again, what's the sound of the monkey?
Nagtatago siya.
Ito. Wait. Do you see Tarshir, Mommy?
Tarshir.
Say hi to Tarshir. Hi.
Show to the Tarshir your heart sign. Heart sign. Heart. Oh.
Tarshir. Very good man na ba tao eh?
Tarshir, yeah.
Say hi Tarshir. Hi Tarshir. Hi Tarshir.
Show your heart sign to the Tarshir. Okay. Good job.
Okay, ito na po yung Tarshir.
Look. It's there.
Oh no, it's Tarshir.
This is one of the monkey.
So, ano masasabi mo babe sa Tarshir?
Sobrang liit niya, guys. Para siyang daga. But has big eyes.
Sulit ba yung entrance fee?
But for the sake, you know, of seeing these Tarshirs, then you have to grab the opportunity because you only come here once or twice in your lifetime. Ate, o kaya mo, ate.
Kali isa sige lang Zoe.
A few inches later.
Oh, go after that.
Money first.
Sit.
A few inches later.
Okay, dito na kami. Breastfeeding station dito daw people. Okay. Tickets here. Oh, sorry. Alternative tickets.
Gate
Okay.
number 3 kayo ma'am. Gate 3 boat number
Gate 3.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Okay. Asus kalayo pa rin ispantalan. Kabidyo-bidyo na ko. Wait lang. Gate 3. Oh, straight.
Gate 3, boat 25, table 2.
Ayan na sila. Mga turista galing sa Kamalian. O, napayo ka no. Musugat natin kanta. So, gisugat na magbanda. Tayo sa nagsinsiyo.
Sakyaw na tutulay no?
Okay, pag-video, video. Uy. Anaday ka inda.
Hi guys, ito na yung floating restaurant nila. Ano kaya ang ulam dyan? Okay. Si nanay. Pwede na diretso kain, no? Kasi gutom na rin kami.
Visitors, this is for no alcohol. Welcome, visitors. Alright, by the way guys, we have a birthday greeting section. Happy birthday to Sir Eddie. Yes. Because we're all singing a birthday song, so birthday to the friend.
Smile po ba? Uy, sa pabalik.
bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, happy birthday, Mother!
Happy birthday ko na pa.
Happy birthday pa! Ito ba yun?
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging
Hi, Mami!
kahit maputi, kung maputi, kung maputi, turn them at all, tell there was you.
Nagbay?
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Pwede nga na sa Danawasan, daghan.
Mahal po ang cellphone.
Sa pagkatulog mo, ako ganun ang kailangan ko. Balik sa buhol, balik sa buhol, balik.
One eternity.
We are here now in the house of Eunice. Oh, what happened? Huh? Say hi! Hi, Bjorn! We are in your house. This is your mommy and this is your uncle Junjun. This is si Achi, gasakasaka sa inyong grotto. Can you count how many fish are there? Count. Count, baby.
The next day.
Hi, fish. Can you point to the fish? Baboy. What's the dog?
Don't bite.
Alam, hika po siya. Ayan na, patapos na kami.
Thank you, Eunice, for the accommodation.
Kasi na si Chuchay.
We're feeling at home right here.
We're now going to Panglao. Say hi, Mary.
Say hi, Mary. Say hi, Malaga. Hi.
Wala na si Mary.